So introduction, nuclear cogeneration is where a nuclear power plant or nuclear reactors are integrated with other systems uh, and it has some other non-electric applications, for example, to produce hydrogen, desalination, district heating, or industrial process. And it has proven to be efficient and environmentally attractive option, especially for considering energy transition now, which is a hot topic, and all the other countries are working aggressively in energy transition. So nuclear desalination is basically seawater desalination using a nuclear energy. So again, this presentation is about awareness of a nuclear desalination, which I believe will be of a great benefit for the Gulf countries, especially considering their dependencies on desalination for freshwater production and their commitment to net zero emission by 2050. So nuclear desalination cogeneration is basically you have the nuclear reactor here, which produces heat, and that heat can be used even for hydrogen production or direct air capture, or for our purposes, desalination. At the same moment, it can be used for producing electricity. So this is why it's called cogeneration. You can use it for two purposes or even three or four purposes.